Hey friends. Hello, I am Sourav and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Learning with Sourav. So today in this small video lecture, we are going to see the introduction, acknowledgement and conclusion of science subject. So I hope this video may give you some understanding about how to write those particular things. Before moving ahead, let me remember you that if you will get something new from this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's begin. Introduction. Science is a systematic enterprise that builds and organizes knowledge in the form of testable explanations and predictions about the universe. New knowledge in science is advanced by research from scientists who are motivated by curiosity about the world and a desire to solve problems. Contemporary scientific research is highly collaborative and is usually done by teams in academic and research institutions, government agencies, and companies. Acknowledgement. I, your name of standard, your class, am glad to present my project's name, project on the topic's name. This topic was given by our respected subject teacher, teacher's name. I am grateful to her for giving us such an interesting topic for our project. I am also thankful to my parents and friends who helped me in finalizing this project with limited time frame. I would also like to thank my classmates whose instructions and suggestions were helpful. I hope whoever goes through my project finds it relevant, interesting and up to the mark. I hope you will also like my project and appreciate my hard work. Thank you. Conclusion. It was a wonderful learning experience for me on this project. This project took me through the various phases of project development and helped me to know about the different new topics which my class teacher's name, gave to me. The joy of doing the project and the thrill involved while tackling the various problems helped me a lot. I enjoyed each and every bit of this work which I had put in this project. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you will learn it easily. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our video. You will get the link of PDF notes in description. Thank you.